Hello. Let's not slide into people's DMs like how this mouse slid into the video. Today we have a Logitech MX Master 3S. This is one of the best selling productive mice in the market currently, but this mouse has a very common issue, that is double click issues. So what is a double click issue exactly? That the mouse registers more than one click when pressed, which is a switch defect. So changing the switches will solve the problem very easily. We will be installing Kyle yellow dot switches, which are 20 million rating. These are pretty good switches. Another important feature of this switch is that it is silent. People prefer silent switches for productive mice. Besides the switches, if anyone wants to mod the mouse, like you can change the skates or you can add grips or stickers to the mouse. After disassembling, we can see inside that the architecture is a bit different from other mice because look at the scroll module. It has an entirely different module which has an infinity scroll option. And so placing the disassembled parts one by one. So that's it for the disassembly. Bye bye.